Hey everyone, Cole here with Energy Marketing. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to appeal election advertising in the United States, ad flags in Google Ads. This happens from time to time when you launch new ads. They'll get flagged for outrageous reasons like election advertising when you're advertising for a B2B SaaS solution. So to fix this, you simply find the ads that are being flagged like this, click Appeal, Dispute Decision, All Ads in the account. You can do this if you have not disputed decision more than 2 or 3 times. If you continuously dispute decisions, you can have your account flagged, and that can be really serious. It can even mean that your account gets banned from Google Ads. So be careful about how many times you're appealing ads. And if you've already appealed a few ads in the account multiple times, I would suggest appealing at the ad group level instead. Once you've selected all affected ads in the account, check off the appeal disclaimer and then just click Submit. It'll take a day or two for Google to review and hopefully overturn the ads. If your ads don't get overturned, which you can see by going into Tools, Troubleshoot, Policy Manager, if your ads do not get overturned, you can always go into the Help section. If it's not already open, you can just click the question mark, go to Contact Us, and issue with ads being flagged incorrectly. So just type out generally what the problem is. That'll take you to the next step. Other, click next step again. And from here, you can choose your ad account and go through the process contacting Google Ads support below. If you're interested in a more in-depth walkthrough of how to contact Google Ads support, I'll add a video into the description for this video, and I'll also add a link to that video at the end of this video. The important thing is once you have submitted this form, explaining the issue very clearly to Google Ads support and providing documentation about what's going on. I suggest uploading pictures to your contact request. I'd also suggest pushing back with ad support if they claim that the election flag is correct. Often it takes really pushing them to do something about this to get these things overturned. If you have any questions about appeals in Google Ads, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to answer them. And as always, if you found this video valuable, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.